Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel guys. I am Ramkis Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So friends, in today's video we are going to learn about new updated SDK of Ready Player Me. So people have done lots of tutorial, but that is old, and Ready Player Me have launched so many new stuff like Unity customization and how we can use everything. So I will going to share with you in this tutorial. So if you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. I'm starting from very beginner. So if you are a developer, basically in last tutorial I just do interhub and then customize character, but in this tutorial we will just log in as a start as a developer. So if you are going to start as a developer, what will happen? You will get the documentation as well as you will get the opportunity to create your application. So let's do it. So just go on the get started, and here if you have login, here we have to give the name so that you can see demo. So it is asking for website, so just I will go on my YouTube channel so that I can give the link. I will just copy this link because I don't have the company. So just do it, create next. So here it will ask that it is Unity, so just do Unity, then finish setup, basic tutorial, just enough. So here in the bottom you will see here we have the demo app, and whenever you will click we are getting app ID and organization ID. So that is the important thing. Now we have to go in the Unity and just go Unity integration. Going to use Unity 2022 version, that is the LTS, and make sure that you have installed the Git machine because it is going to take through the Git. You can also install from the asset store, so no problem. First step is just we have to go in the package manager. You can directly search on the asset store and then from there you can install. So just I am doing from here. I'm in the Unity and here you can see this is my version. Currently I'm doing in this project because I have implemented so many SDK here, meta, movement sample, so many stuff here, Unity, XR, VR. In the future I will show that how you can use the Ready Player Me with the VR. So that's why I am using here. And for any SDK integration you have to just visit my channel so that you can see that what are the process to get the sample to integrate the package. First of all, let's go in the window. It is the package manager, and package manager plus and add package from the git URL. Make sure you have installed the git and just add this button. So it will take a few minutes and then we will get our package. So here you can see we get the Ready Player Me core, and here is the our version 6.2.1, and here you can get all the samples. So basically you can get most of samples so that you can see. So first important thing is that is the quick start. So we'll get the basic thing, so just do the import. And if you want to learn that how many ways we can load our avatars, so this is the best example, that is the avatar loading samples. Just do import this one, and this is important for 2D renderings, like if you are working with the 2D games or applications, so you can use this one. And this one for WebGL, this is the updated one, this is the important one, this is the updated one where we are getting the UI to just customize avatar inside the Unity. So just do import thing, and here you can see we are able to see this window, that is the interior subdomain, the demo or domain if you have, and you have here we have to add our app ID. And if it is not appearing to you, so just you have to go on the tools, meta, and then settings. So here we can, and here is the configuration, like here you can choose the proper configuration. Configuration means that you have to create the configuration how your avatar you want to be, like in T-pose, what other settings you can implement. Okay, and here is we have enabled the avatar caching, that will cache all the updation or the customization. So main thing is here we need to get the app ID. So whatever you have to create your application, here we have to go on the our application, whatever we have to create it, and here is the domain. So just copy this subdomain, just paste here, and here is the app ID. So what we have to do, just copy app ID and mention here. Okay, so currently I am not doing any configuration thing. If you want we can do in next video, do the important thing, but I'm telling you that configuration is just we want to set the configuration that how we want our avatar. Very important thing is that just I want to mention that currently today is 27 April. So currently they have not enabled the XR thing, so you will able to see the XR, but that is not currently working. So maybe in coming few months they enable this thing, but currently if you want to enable things, so you have to mail them so that they can enable for you but currently it is not enabled by default. So here you can see we are getting two folders, that is Ready Player Me, and in Ready Player Me that is only resources. But when you are going in the samples, so in samples you will get the Ready Player Me. So you have to go inside, here is the version, and here is the quick start. So just open this quick start. So if anything looking to you pink, so just you have to click on that material and then rendering. Currently we are using the URP because URP most cases getting used, and do the process. So basically it is the example that how you can load. So here you can see this is the loader first. So just click on here. So here you can see we are getting a character where we can move and see how it is working. So this is the quick start, means basic you can get from here. There is nothing much more to explore. So this is our avatar, and here you can see this is the way to load the avatar, that is the first person loader, and they have provided the camera from behind. So basically it is a third person. Want to explore that how loading working, so they have provided many scenes, like you can see avatar loading examples. So whenever you will click here, you will see the how they are providing the link. See we are able to load our avatar, and here is the runtime example. So we have passed the URL here. Here is the example of multiple avatar loading at the same time. So here you can see also. So here you can see we are able to load multiple avatar, and here must be multiple links. So here you can see that if you want to load multiple avatar at one time, so here is the thing, and where you will get this link. So you will get this link on the web, like in last video I told you. So you have to log in normally, and then here you have to customize, and then you will get the link of the customization on the website, and here you have to put. So basically this kind of stuff work on the PC and mobile application. If you are going in the VR, so at that time it was very difficult. So they launched that you can just customize avatar inside the Unity. So just I'm going to that part, but basically I'm explaining that if someone is starting first time, so that will be a very important thing. Here is the avatar creator sample. So this is a very important thing. Here we have two samples, that is the avatar creator wizard. So whenever you will open this scene, so just you run and let's see. So basically this is the same like the website, you will get the customized thing similar to that. So here you can see we are getting everything here. So just customize McLean, so we have to choose this one and continue without photos. So here you can see that we are getting everything inside the Unity. We can choose the player. So now you can see we are getting everything here. Okay, just in I have do the full screen, so you are not able to see, but you are getting every UI here. And whenever you are going to click here, so just go on the UI. So here you can see we are getting the next. So here you can log in, you can just use as a guest, and the main important thing is just save button. So whenever you are going to click on the save button, so at that time you have to save the ID whatever you are going to change. So every time it will create the ID, but important thing is just on the save button whatever ID is getting used, so that ID you have to use. And you can watch my last video, you can just visit on the playlist where you will get that how I am loading Ready Player Me for multiplayer. So you will get the idea that how you can do on the multiplayer. So this is the basic UI like the website, and you can just use one by one prefab, like you can use this as a prefab. So you can just customize the UI according to you, but this is the samples. You are going the avatar creator, so here they have provided another UI, so that is looking different, but it is looking good for VR kind of application. But you know, I told you that this you have to play around this camera, because if you are going to use the VR, so you have to use world space. So currently it is screen space, so you can just customize here everything, and we are not able to see full view. If you are going to see here, so here you can see this is the full view here, like we are able to see everything. Okay, and here is the save avatar button. So save avatar button you have to explore that whenever you are clicking on the save button, so that particular ID you have to save. And here is the body type, that is the full body, half body, full XR. So currently both active, full body and half body. For full body XR you have to just mail them so that they can enable for you on that particular application. and these are the references, so you have to just explore these references. Sometimes it get missed, so at that time you have to pass manually. So this was the avatar creator UI. Basically we talk about this one, so just open this script because this is a very important thing. So here we are passing animation controller. So these are the part, like this is the animation controller. So whenever our character is getting created, so at that time it will be aid on that particular. So let me show you and run. So here is the animation controller. You will see that how whenever our avatar is getting load, so here our avatar will be load. So here you will also see, you can see we are getting this avatar, and this thing like animation controller have been added, and this thing is getting from package. So let me explore this script so that you can get easily what is going on in this script. In this script, that is the simple avatar creator. So basically if you want to customize, so you can just do this thing customize. Basically whenever avatar is getting created, so we are getting in this game object, and here is the load avatar, simple avatar, save avatar. So here you can see this method getting called whenever we are going to do save. So here on this method you can go and see that what ID is getting used. So at that time you can just save this ID, so that you can just combine this ID with URL, and then you can load your avatar anywhere, means on the multiplayer, on anywhere you want to load. So this was the important thing I mentioned to you. And the important thing is another method, that is the setup avatar. So this is the method it called every time whenever your avatar is getting updated by the cloth or by any item, and here you can just add anything on your avatar. So this is the very important method, like it is the last method of whenever your avatar is getting updated. So on updated avatar you can add animator, like they have given the animator, and this is the same game object. They have also given the one script on that. So this is the thing, and hope you understand. And in next part I'm going to share with you that how you can use Ready Player Me with VR Meta Movement SDK. So there is a little thing that I am going to explain to you. So see you in next video. Bye bye, take care. If you want to ask anything, so just let me know in the comment box, and you can support the channel by liking, subscribe, and giving the thanks, or just supporting on the Patreon. So bye bye, take care, see you in next